Hello, student. How are you?
Great.
Hello, Miss. I'm great. How about you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking me. Okay, for the time, Dr. T, please list of students will attend today and send it to me after class. Well, before we start, would like to introduce myself first. My name is Miss Nimade Devani. My name 2011171006. Then let's just go straight to the discussion of the material. This time we will learn about narrative text. And what is the narrative text? Nobody answer? Okay, I am explaining it. This is the mind map about the narrative text. The first is definition, the second is purpose, the third is structure, the fifth is type, and the fifth is language. And this is the definition of narrative text. Narrative text is a type of text that tells a series of events is chronological or intercomment system. Narrative text is generally imaginative, not real or in the form of the imagination of the author. And the purpose of narrative text. Narrative text is aimed to entertain or attract readers' interest. Narrative text presents a story or event that has a problem. This problem can lead to conflict, and at the end of the story, there is resolution and have a sad or happy ending. The next slide is this is the structure narrative text. The first orientation, the second complication, the third resolution. The orientation is introduction. This section contains about the character is the story as well as time and the place of the incident. And the second complication is the picture of the emergency of crisis or problem experienced by the characters in the story. The crisis must be solved by the characters. And the third resolution or is the part that contain how the character of the story solve the problem. Usually there is more than one resolution of the complication. And the next, this is the type of narrative text. The first is fable. Fable are stories about animals. The example is the ugly, the ugly, the country of the mice, the bear and the rabbit. And Harry, can you answer the example, the fable, the other example?
All right, Miss. The example is the ugly duckling, the country of the mice, and a bear and a rabbit, the cat and the rat, and the greedy monkey, and a fox and a little bird, and the monster and crocodile, and so on.
Okay, thank you. This is great. And the second is the Meiji. Is the developed is society and is generally considered either factually story or actually happen. You can example the number 2, maybe Ratna.
Yes, Miss. The example of myth is Ajisaka, Miss.
Yes, that's great, Ratna. And the third is legend. Legend is story that tell about the origin of a place. Maybe Angel. This is example about the legend.
All right, Miss. Maybe the example is the legend of Surabaya, story of Lake Toba. Maybe, Miss.
It's great, Angel. Okay, the next is the part folktale. This is a story passed down from generation to generation to become part of the community tradition. Maybe Peter, the example about the folktale.
The example is Malin Kundang.
Okay, that's great, Peter. And number 5, the fire tales. The fire tales or talk tales or children's story that have magic in the stories told by their authors. For example, the Timun Mas, Tinkerbell, and Thumbelina. And six, the love story. Love story is story that tells generally the love struggle of main character of about the love story of the character. Maybe itu example per love story.
Romeo and Juliet.
Okay, that's great. And the seven personal experience, it is narrative text that contain the author's person experience. And the eight, scene of life, it is story that contain activities or story that occur in the daily life of the author, or imaginative character, for the example, through friends. And the last is oral stories. The story is type of narrative text that tell generally scary stories such as ghosts or others astral beings. Okay, next slide. This is the language of narrative text. The first is using simple past tense. The marked by the use of to be, was, or were, and the use of the second verb. And the second, using the verb of time or verb of time. The form of verb of time used in once upon a time, one day, and Sunday afternoon. And three, using direct speech. Direct expression are usually marked with quotation marks. Sentence is quotation used to express to storyline to make it look more real. And four, using a specific character or a special character, a pre-narrative text as a character or character that builds the story. This is the example about the narrative text, the true friends. Siapa yang bisa membantu buat baca teksnya?
Ratna, Miss.
Hari Miss.
Ratna, Miss.
Oke, Ratna. Time shares.
Alright, thank you, Miss. True friends. Once upon a time, there were two close friends who were walking through the forest together. They knew that anything dangerous can happen every time in the forest. So they promised each other that they would always be together in any case of danger. Suddenly, they saw a large bear getting closer toward them. One of them climbed a nearby tree at once, but unfortunately, the other one did not know how to climb up the tree. So being led by his common sense, he laid down on the ground breathless and pretended to be a dead man. The bear came near the one who was lying on the ground. It smelled his ears and slowly left the place because the bears do not want to touch the dead creatures. After that, the friend on the tree came down and asked his friend that was on the ground, "Friend, what did the bear whisper into your ears?" The other friend replied, "Just know the bear advised me not to believe a false friend." Moral of the story is, a true friend in need is a friend indeed. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ratna. Your good job is the read the text. Jadi cerita ini menceritakan dua orang yang bersahabat, yaitu dia masuk hutan tetapi dia bertemu dengan seekor beruang yang sangat besar. Jadi satunya memanjat pohon, yang satu tidak bisa manjat pohon. Jadi yang satunya berpura-pura mati dan beruang itu mendekati yang pura-pura mati itu, tetapi karena dia dikira sudah mati, jadi beruang itu menjauh. Jadi moralnya itu kita tidak boleh percaya sama teman karena tidak semuanya teman itu baik. Ya, contohnya satu temannya naik pohon, yang satunya temannya ditinggal di bawah. Jadi seperti itu. Itu moral yang ada pada True Friends, the story. Okay. The next is any question about the narrative text? Maybe? Harry, your question?
I had question is there's no question from me
Maybe Ratna? The question?
Yes, Miss, I have a question. My question is, what are the characteristics of narrative text, Miss? Can you explain that?
Okay. Characteristic of narrative text. The first, focus on one character or actor and is usually individual, so that they usually use pronouns such as I, we, she, and he. And the second, frequent use of past tense, whether simple past tense, past continuous, or other form of past tense. And the second characteristic is the sometimes using dialogue to invite the reader of imagine of so that the story seems clear and moral real. And the fourth, the character is the use conjunction to make the story look sequential. Nah, jadi is the characteristic of the narrative text. Maybe any question? Okay,
No,
nobody
Miss.
question.
Right.
Miss Kus with Pramasanti. Om Santi 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 Om.
Santi,
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 Santi.
Santi.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Miss.
Thank you for
Miss.
joining this class.
Bye.
See you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Miss.
Miss.